Hello students, we finished the chapter 6, I'm starting today chapter 7, that is coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry chapter 7, 7.1 we are doing now. That is, see, I have given all the formula in 2 videos because every time explaining the formula, instead of that, first you have to practice the formula in coordinate geometry. Unless you practice, you cannot do the problems. A proper formula you have to use and find the solution. So, coordinate geometry introduction 2 videos I made. So you go through those 2 videos. Coordinate geometry, video 1, video 2. Both are full of formulae, and formulae also I explained where to use, when to use, how to use. So you go through them and then come to the exercises. So this is 7.1 I am doing. This is finding the distance between 2 points. That is, if you have, suppose the point P is there, x1, y1. Q is x2, y2. Then to find out the distance, it is the formula you have to use is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This formula you have to use. Suppose the point P is origin or its coordinates are 0, 0. Then Q is xy. Then the distance will be root of x square plus y square. Always remember, when it is from origin or the point, one point is 0, 0, don't use this formula taking this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2. And it is unnecessary minus 0 whole square and all you need not do. You can write directly root of x square plus y square. So first bit I am doing, that is distance between 2, 3 and 4, 1. How to find out. So this is P, this is Q. Let us take. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Distance will be root of x2 minus x1 whole square. Every time you write the formula so that you will practice it and you won't forget and you will use in a proper place. So x2, 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2, 1 minus 3 whole square, root of that will be 2 square, 4, plus minus 2 whole square plus 4. This can be written as 2 root 2 because root 8 is, you can write it as 2 into 4. 4 can be taken out of the root as 2. So 2 root 2. And second bit is minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. x1, y1, x2, y2. D is the same formula. I am not writing here, but you have to write and then only you have to apply. x2 minus x1 whole square, minus 1 minus half minus 5 whole square, plus you write like this so that you won't get confused, minus 5 or plus 5 or how to get it out, and write whatever value is given minus of minus 5 whole square. x2 minus minus of minus 5 whole square. Okay? And 3 minus 7 whole square. 3 minus 7 whole square. So this will become minus 1 and minus of minus 5 is plus 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 square is 16 and 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Minus 4 whole square is 16. That is root 32. That can be written as 2 into 16. 16 if you take out 4. So 4 root 2. And third bit is minus 2 minus 3, 3 2. x1, y1, x2, y2. This is P, this is Q, this is P, this is Q. D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square. 3 minus of minus 2 whole square. Plus 2 minus of minus 3 whole square. That will be root of 3 plus 2. That is 7 whole square. Plus minus 3. Minus of minus 3 is plus 3. Plus 3 plus 2. That is how much? 5 whole square. So 5 whole square. That is equal to 49 plus 25. That is 60, 74. 5 is 25. You check again. It is minus 2 minus 3, 3 2. 3 minus of minus 2. That is, this is 5 whole square only. So 25 plus 25, that is 50. This 50 is, you can write it as 2 into 25. That is 25 root is 5. So 5 root 2 units. So this is where I did wrong, because minus 2 into minus 2 is, I took 2 square. Minus 2 into minus 2 is, minus of minus 2 is 2. Therefore 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 square plus 5 square, 25 plus 25, that is 5 root 2. And fourth bit is AB and minus A minus B. This is P, this is Q, x1, y1, x2, y2. So this will be, distance will be equal to root of x2 minus x1 minus A minus A, minus of minus A, plus minus B minus B. Because this is plus B, no, minus B minus B. So minus A and minus A is minus 2A plus whole square plus minus B and minus B minus 2B whole square. That is 4A square plus 4B square. That can be written as 4 into A square plus B square. Root of that, you can write it as 2 into root of A square plus B square. Now we finished all the 4 bits, and again we will do in the next video the second problem. So this is, can you understand the two formulae? What you have to use is D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square and plus y2 minus y1 whole square whole root. And if it is from origin or the one point is 0, 0, you have to use root of x square plus y square. So using that I have done 4 bits. This is first problem. First problem, distance formula, you have to practice first. You have to understand what are the coordinates and all. So go through the 2 videos where I explained all the formulae, then only you come to do this.